Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Beravia Beetroot Capsule Blood Pressure Supplement Review. So you might be wondering, what is the Beravia Beetroot Capsules that you may be seeing or hearing online? So Beravia Beetroot Capsules are a dietary supplement made with 1,300 milligrams of organic beetroot powder per serving. Now, according to the official website here, the supplement is designed to support healthy blood flow, circulation, nitric oxide production, heart health, and daily energy levels. Now, the company explains that beetroot naturally contains dietary nitrates, betalains, folate, potassium, vitamin C, and iron. Nutrients that are included to help support normal circulation and cardiovascular function. Now, the capsules are manufactured in an FDA compliant, GMP certified facilities in the United States and are made without artificial additives or unnecessary filters. Now, those are according to them. Now, using the supplement or taking the supplements is quite straightforward. Now, the official website here recommends taking the capsule daily as part of your regular wellness routine. It also notes that consistency is important, with the company stating that some people may notice changes in energy within the first few days, while circulation and cardiovascular support are intended to build over several weeks of regular use. Now, the official website currently lists the supplement at around, let's just say, $29.99 per bottle, discounted from the original $44.99. Promotional offers may also include buy one, get one free, free shippings, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Although these promotions may change over time, even the pricing here may change depending on your current region or country. So, in this case, that's essentially how Beravia beetroot capsules work. Now, the formula provides a concentrated source of beetroot, which naturally contains dietary nitrates that the body can convert into nitric oxide. Now, according to the manufacturer here, this process helps support healthy blood flow, oxygen delivery, and overall cardiovascular wellness as part of a balanced lifestyle. Now, since this is a health-related supplement here, it's highly recommended to consult a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using these type of capsules, especially if you have low blood pressure, take blood pressure medications, or have an existing medical condition. Now, this actually applies for any kind of products that you may be taking in the future, so it's better to be safe. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.